I could have and have in the world. I think I will like viewers served. I want to this because with the job I can help shape my lives around the world. I work like I specialize in diagnostic of difficult diseases to be help to after a like of the help to help to people you have not found and answer their simple. My last job was an animal carter. It was a very important how because I love I love animals and in the world wonderful they spend a very day what the time and the you want this one the taken love the guy. There is always something they learned from these beautiful beings.